Hello and welcome, creative souls, to Vera Artist. Today, in our exciting The Art of Prompt Writing series, we're embarking on a journey that blends creativity with precision. Get ready to dive into an exploration of imagination as we demonstrate how to craft a simple yet compelling prompt to bring a mythical forest with enchanted creatures to vivid life. Can you imagine transforming your thoughts into a captivating digital masterpiece with just a few carefully chosen words? Ready to unleash the boundless potential of your creativity? Let's launch into this fascinating adventure with excitement. This tutorial is designed not just to teach, but to unlock the creative genius within you. We're here to inspire you to transform your visions into stunning digital images. Are you ready to immerse yourself in the wonders of visual storytelling? Creating eye-catching masterpieces with flux. One relies on the magic of writing precise, descriptive prompts. Here are the thrilling details of your current project. Title: Mythical Forest with Enchanted Creatures. It all begins with the title, a spark that sets your creative journey in motion. Style: fantasy and dreamlike. Your chosen style colors the entire project with its unique flair, influencing each creative decision. Scene description: a dense, mystical forest filled with towering ancient trees, shimmering foliage, and a soft mist that blankets the forest floor. Magical creatures like unicorns, fairies, and glowing spirits inhabit this enchanted place. The scene description builds the world where your artistic story unfolds, captivating the viewers from the first glance. Emotion and atmosphere: whimsical and serene with a hint of mystery. Emotion and atmosphere breathe life into your work, shaping how viewers feel and connect with your art. Lighting: soft, ethereal light filtering through the canopy, creating dappled patterns. Lighting infuses your scene with depth and intrigue, highlighting details and casting shadows that captivate the viewer. Color palette: rich greens and earthy browns with glimmers of silver and gold. Colors evoke emotions and create a visual symphony, filling your image with life and vitality. Camera angle and perspective: ground-level view giving an immersive experience of the forest. The camera angle defines the viewer's journey, guiding their gaze and creating an immersive experience. Main subjects serve as the stars of your visual story, drawing in the viewer's imagination. Textures and materials: soft moss, rough bark, shimmering wings, and delicate petals. Textures enhance realism, inviting viewers to feel the scene and adding layers of richness. Movement and dynamics: gentle rustling of leaves, graceful movement of creatures. Movement adds rhythm to your composition, guiding the viewer's eye through the visual narrative. Interaction of elements: interaction between light and mist creating a magical glow. Element interactions create harmony and flow, weaving a cohesive and engaging story. Symbolism and narrative: symbol of untouched beauty and the wonder of nature. Symbolism adds depth, inviting viewers to explore hidden meanings and narratives. Composition: balanced and harmonious, guiding the eye through the forest's wonders. Composition balances and arranges elements, crafting a visual journey that captivates and pleases the eye. Additional considerations: highlight the interplay of natural and mystical elements. Unique touches bring a signature flair to your work, making it unforgettable. Now that our detailed prompt is complete, let's witness the magic unfold. Here, display the image or the creation process. The final image beautifully reflects the intricacy and imagination infused into our prompt, showcasing the magic of creativity at its best. We hope you're inspired by this adventure and see how a simple prompt can unlock a world of creativity. Share your own prompts or creative thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't miss out on our upcoming episodes. Subscribe to Vera Artist and continue this exciting creative journey with us.